amazing wood crusher swallows a huge tree in a blink of an eye. Even the biggest and longest tree is swallowed by this amazing machine. The dangerous, bulky trucks on the road with long, hard logs, large wood transport vehicles. These are the biggest trucks transporting giant trees you've ever seen. Amazingly amazing. Transporting trees you've never seen. Suffocating every moment. The wood transport vehicle moves in the deep abyss. To the advanced automatic firewood cutting machine of the guy who made the most advanced firewood processing machine you've ever seen. Follow me on the video so you don't miss another moment. This video shows the raw power unleashed as trees disappear before your eyes. Witness the giant wood grinders operate at incredible speeds and unstoppable power. The incredible giant wood grinder shows off. Witness the terrifying crushing power as giant iron machines turn massive tree trunks into smooth sawdust. Each sturdy wood fiber is swallowed and crushed in the blink of an eye, creating an overwhelming sight. Join me as we explore this impressive woodworking process, where raw power and modern technology blend together, creating an unforgettable visual experience. Come join me in witnessing the destructive power of these tree stump removal monsters. Witness stubborn tree stumps being crushed into pieces in a matter of seconds. A display of power that will leave you speechless. This video will take you into the world of giant machines. Safety is always a top priority in the woodworking industry, but that doesn't mean efficiency is compromised. Join me as I explore modern woodworking tools, where power and precision combine to create high-quality products. This video will take you into the world of powerful machines, where strict safety measures are in place to protect workers while ensuring maximum efficiency. Join me as I explore advanced woodworking tools designed to process wood quickly, accurately, and safely, providing an impressive visual experience. Your hands are still there. Next will be the demonstration of the giant machine that is indispensable in the process of transporting large and long logs to the wood processing factory. This is the awesome transport you see in my videos. It looks like a tong to lift a large and long log onto a big truck to transport it on a long trip. Have you ever seen a giant timber transport machine in action? If not, join me in exploring the world of timber transport monsters. These machines are not only powerful, but also extremely versatile, capable of transporting giant logs with ease. This video will take you through impressive footage of specialized trucks, tractors, and cranes, performing challenging timber transport tasks. Join me in admiring the power and efficiency of these machines and discovering the advanced technologies that make them work safely and efficiently. Have you ever witnessed the breathtaking scene when a giant truck faces a brain-teasing challenge? It is not only a battle of strength, but also a confrontation with unexpected risks that any driver must be wary of. This video will take you to the dramatic moments when skilled drivers face dangerous situations, requiring high concentration and excellent handling skills. Let me admire the power of giant trucks. the ingenuity of operators, and the heart-stopping moments when they face unexpected challenges on the journey of transporting wood. Have you ever witnessed the breathtaking sight of a giant logging truck stuck in the mud? It is not only a challenge of strength, but also a test of skill and perseverance. This video will take you to the dramatic moments when skilled workers try to rescue the monsters stuck in the mud. Come join me to admire the strength of the tractors, the ingenuity of the operators, and the team spirit in the fight against harsh nature. Marvel at the homemade firewood processing machine, 3 times more productive than human power. Witness advanced technology turn raw logs into finished firewood quickly and efficiently. This video will take you to the world of unique creations, where human strength and intelligence blend to create amazing products. Join me in exploring the impressive automatic firewood processing process, where modern technology and craftsmanship are combined, bringing visual experiences and useful knowledge. Do you like to own this homemade firewood processing machine? Leave a comment below to let me know you need it. Don't forget to like the videos to help me. Marvel at the incredible power of the giant wood-splitting machine. Witness massive tree trunks being torn apart in a split second. An unbelievable sight to behold. This video will take you into the world of mechanical monsters, where power and efficiency are pushed to the limit. Join me as I explore the impressive wood-splitting process, where modern technology and raw power blend together to create an unforgettable visual experience. Have you ever walked into a giant wood processing factory where rough logs are transformed into perfect boards? Join me as I explore the impressive wood manufacturing process, from the initial cutting to the delicate processing. This video will take you to the world of giant machines, where power and modern technology combine to create high-quality wood products. Join me as I watch the sharp saw blades tear through tree trunks. The automatic conveyor systems transport the wood, and the modern machines transform the wood into finished products. A visual and educational experience awaits you. Enter the world of wooden wonders, where natural beauty is celebrated. Here, you will be overwhelmed by the giant tree trunks covered in vibrant colors and unique wood grains, enough to conquer the heart of any wood lover. This video will take you on a fascinating journey of discovery, where you will admire impressive natural works of art. Join me as immerse yourself in the beauty of rare woods and discover the secrets hidden in each grain of wood. Be amazed by the 1,000-year-old tree trunk, a masterpiece of time being transported on a giant truck. Have you ever wondered how many years it takes for a tree trunk to reach such extraordinary size and beauty? Its color and wood grain are truly priceless gifts from nature. If you are a true wood lover, don't miss these enchanting footages. Join me in exploring the journey of the giants of wood, and don't forget to follow the next videos to admire more wooden wonders.